Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9.
Hey Pookies, it's your girl Kenasia Sanai.
My phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
I'm currently at my actual job and it's 5 o'clock in the morning. But I wanted to do my intro so I won't forget this time. But I'm getting my hair done today, and you're also going to see that I got my nails done or whatnot. So yeah, I will see y'all when I get to my hair appointment. And don't mind my face. Something happened to my face, so I just put some cream on it. But I'm gonna be back with y'all when I get out of work. Bye.
I really don't think we would be where we are now without.
Hey Pookies, as you can see, I got my hair done. I'm gonna put my braider username on here because she really ate. Like, what? And they long, y'all. Look, they real long and curly. I told her to give me extra boho, and that's exactly what she did. But y'all, and why? Tell me why my face right here, bro. That's why I got on the sunglasses. My face is sunburnt, y'all, and this ain't never happened to me in my state. No, don't forget about it. Why is he so loud? Anyway. Alright, bro.
You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk inside. I'm in that 80 and one of them twist different priority. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from this before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Okay, y'all, so now I'm at the eyebrow place and I'm about to go get my eyebrows done. So I'll make this quick and I'm gonna show y'all my eyebrows and the process of getting them done. I'm gonna be back, y'all. Y'all see the hair? My skin kind of messed up a little bit, but it's getting back better. But oh, bye y'all.
दीदी को बोलना दीदी आएंगी कितना अच्छा बनाया
Hey guys, I don't know why my face is red right now, y'all, but I'm gonna put on some sunscreen on my face and just get it together. But this the fit. I'm wearing my red and black and white dunks whenever I can find them. But bro, where did he put my shoe at? Oh, I'm trying to show y'all. I'm wearing these. Yeah. But we really just waiting to go now. I'm really gonna charge my camera because I'm on my phone. I'm gonna charge my camera, and I'm gonna try to get some cute pictures of me today and tomorrow too. And I need to be charging my Apple Watch because this thing, but I might not be wearing it. I don't know. But yeah, so this the fit. Real cute hair. My braider. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all probably when we're finna go to the concert. If not that, it's gonna be when we're there. But I'm gonna see y'all. Bye. Okay guys, so I thought something was wrong with my lash. I'm in the car now. We are about to be on our way to go see MAF TEESKI. The fit with my, oh shoot, my donkeys. Got a pink lip going on. And I'm really messing with the vibes. Does my lash look right though? Sorry y'all, I'm always fixing myself on camera and shit. But yeah, y'all. So, I guess this is the part where I just show you MAF. Or that's what I'll be calling him, y'all. I'll be calling him MAF. But this is the part where I show y'all MAF TEESKI when I get there. And they better not disappoint me. And yeah. Hopefully my pictures turn out right. But we'll be back with you guys.
I'm gonna die and I just cry, so we ain't hit them. We keep spinning blocks and patching, I'm staying, can't get no. We was riding, really lurking, probably rolling like so deep. I just want to stop, no being rude, but please don't use your. We gon' rock and roll and beat the ass before we wipe them. Goofy saw me in the street, was shook and tried to tell her. Come on now, what? I'm spinning. With this man, bitch, ain't doing no back and fuck. Sitting kissing face only. I
gotta record these! Painting my room, so as y'all can see, it's like stuff right there, but on this wall it's nothing. It's just my oh my god, y'all, where's that? My little screws, because that goes for my mirror and for my picture. But yeah, I already repaint this wall. I just gotta finish the edges, and then the only thing I gotta finish is this wall right here and this wall up there, and then the edges and stuff. So we gotta go to Home Depot to get some paint. I don't know if I'm gonna record that or not. This is kind of like a different Sunday reset video. This is like the deep cleaner Sunday. But I'm gonna try to get some finishing, y'all. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when my boyfriend get here and when we actually about to go do some stuff to this room and have a reset freaking Sunday for this freaking week we're finna have. But yeah, tune in, y'all. I'll be back.